In this lecture, we're going to look at an alternative solution to injecting variables into strings called string concatenation. As we learned from a previous lecture, string interpolation can be a great solution to inserting a variable into a string. However, string interpolation is only available for regular variables. Constants are not supported in string interpolation. What if we need to insert a constant into a string? There's an alternative solution called string concatenation. In our script, we have two constants called full name. Let's remove the second copy. Next, let's add the following string inside the variable dump function. Hello, my name is. At the end of this string, we may want to insert the full name constant. A constant can be added using string concatenation. String concatenation is the process of combining two strings into a single string. We can perform string concatenation with the concatenation operator. This operator can be written with the dot character. After the string, add this character. PHP will combine both strings into a single string. The output contains both strings. However, there's one problem. Space does not separate both strings, which makes the sentence look awkward. This behavior makes sense when you think about it. In the first string, we don't have a space at the end of the string. The constant does not contain a space at the beginning of the string. If we were to add a space at the end of the first string, this update should resolve our errors. As you can see, the space has been added. It's a common mistake to forget to add spaces when concatenating things. String concatenation and string interpolation are powerful features for inserting variables into a string. Whenever possible, I prefer to use string interpolation. In my opinion, it's easier to read. If I'm dealing with constants, I'll use concatenation since interpolation does not support constants. You may prefer concatenation because it can support strings with single or double quotes. Other than that, it all comes down to preference. Just like arithmetic operators, the concatenation operator can be used with the assignment operator. For example, let's outsource the first portion of the string to a variable called message. Next, let's type the following after defining the variable. Message dot equals full name. Similar to arithmetic operators, we can add the concatenation operator to the left of the assignment operator. PHP will add the string to the existing string. This results in the same thing as before. Let's update the variable dump function to output the message variable. Perfect. Our message works like before. The concatenation assignment operator can be useful when you're trying to add to an existing string. That is about it for this section. We've spent a lot of time talking about variables and data types. Data is an essential component of any application you're building. But how can we use this data to create dynamic pages? That's going to be the focus of the next section. When you're ready, I'll see you there.